वेलकम बैक टू गो टू कॉर्टेक्स। आज हम करने वाले हैं एपीआई एक्सप्लोरर क्रिएट एंड अपडेट अ क्लस्टर लैब। सो फर्स्ट क्लिक स्टार्ट लैब। हम इसे इनकॉग्निटो विंडो में ओपन करेंगे। कैन अंडरस्टैंड। क्लिक आई एग्री एंड कंटिन्यू। नेक्स्ट, remove this tutorial. Come back here. Go to the task one. First, we have to check if this API is enabled or not. So copy this, paste it here, search it. It is already enabled, so we don't have to do anything. Next, we have to create a cluster. So as you can see this link, so right click it, then open link in incognito tab. Now here it is. यहाँ पे हमारी प्रोजेक्ट आईडी ये रही। For the region, it is US West 1. Paste it here. Now next, the request body, we have to add cluster name property. Next, we have to enter any name of our choice. So let me enter CTC. Next, we have to choose config, and then we have to choose GC cluster config. Here it is. Then we have to choose zone URI field, and then here we have to enter this link. Then in this place, we have to replace it with our project ID. After this, we have to select software config under the config curly bracket. Under the config means this one, we have to select software config. Okay, look for it. Here it is. Now we have to select image version, and then we have to set it to 2.0 Debian 10. So copy this, Control V. Next, under the curly bracket of software config, select optional components. Component here, and then click add item, select Jupyter from the drop down. And quest body should look like this, so you can cross check. All right. Next, you have to make sure these two are checked. Now click execute. It will ask for this. Just click on your own account, the student one that you just got. Click continue. Click allow and wait for it to execute. We need to see a 200 here as output, and yes, it is there, means it ran perfectly. Now check my progress. It is complete. Now next we will Run this link, open link incognito window. Then we will insert our project ID. The region is US West 1 again. Now we have to click choose job, and after that choose placement. Then you have to choose cluster name, and then we can enter anything here. We'll enter this. Now in the curly bracket under job, we have to select Spark job. Curly bracket under job is this one. So this is the Spark job. Next, in the curly bracket under Spark jobs, we have to select ARGS. We have to click on add an item and then enter 1000. After this, we have to add a property drop down, choose jar file URIs. Next, we have to click add item and add this. Make sure the structure is like this. And next, we have to choose main class. And then copy this and paste it here. Now let's check the structure. Job placement cluster name, Spark job ERGS 1000, jar file URIs, and main class. It all looks fine. Now we have to click execute, and it ran perfectly. Come back here, click check my progress. Okay, wait for it. Till then, we can come back here, and on the Google Cloud, we can go to the clusters. Alright, data pro clusters, not Kubernetes engine. When completed, now to the task 4 to update a cluster. We will open this link in incognito window. Then we have to enter the project ID here, which we copied earlier. The region is US West 1. Cluster name, we can choose anything, so we will add CTC. Next, update mask, we have to enter this. And then we have to add config. Then next, we have to add worker config. And then we have to add num instances. and then we have to set it to 3. After doing this, we have to click execute. And it's completed. So come back here, click check my progress. And congratulations, the lab is complete. If this video was helpful to you, give it a like and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Now you can just simply end this lab.